How to reset AirPods Pro or AirPods on your with your iPhone. First of all, make sure your earbuds is not connected with iPhone. You can see. So if it's connected with the iPhone, go to your setting and go to the AirPods, and from here you can see the forget this device. Simply press on forget this device. Now turn off your AirPods and turn on again. If you see this kind of pop-ups, simply close this icon. Now here you can see the white icon light is popping up. Press like that 2 times and 3 times. So once 3 times done, then you can see the red light is turning on, and within 1 or 2 seconds your white light is turned again. Now press on connect and it's now resetting and set up with as a new. And if you are using the AirPods Pro, then same process, turn on and press and hold this button for 15 seconds. Once you press and hold the button 15 seconds, you can see the white button is turning on. When white button is comes, then your AirPods Pro also be resetting. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.